Hi, my name is Martin Irufta, and today I'm going to talk about why you should not smoke. If smoking causes so many problems and you are also aware of this, so why don't you stop smoking? Or a better question, why don't you have to start smoking? Do you know that more than 400,000 deaths annually are caused from smoke? Cigarette smoking causes about one of every death in the United States. This day it's hard not to have contact with cigarettes because we can find basically anywhere. It is part of our lives. It is everywhere, from advertisement on television, even in the hands of our work partner. I'm sure that the average person who smokes knows about how dangerous it is. Many people know some of the risks of smoking but ignore the real and major health problems because it is more difficult to quit smoking than face health issues. After seeing what are the consequences of smoke, I started to research to show why you should quit and the solution to this problem. After researching about smoking, I learned a lot about this nasty habit, which is politically and socially accepted in our country. This activity needs to be reduced because it's causing death, being overused, and endangering the life of everyone, not only the one who smokes, but also the other lives. First, I'm going to talk about why it is so harmful smoke not only to you but also to other persons. Cigarette smoking has been identified as the most important source of preventable morbidity and premature mortality worldwide. Smoking-related disease claim an estimate of 400,000 American lives each year, including those affected indirectly, such as babies born prematurely due to prenatal maternal smoking and victims of second-hand exposure of tobacco carcinogens. Furthermore, it's addictive like drugs. When a cigarette is smoked, there is a rapid distribution of nicotine to the brain, nicotine reaching its peak in the first 10 seconds of inhalation. However, the acute effects of nicotine dissipate quickly in the conjunction with associated feelings of gratification, which cause the smoker to continue dosing throughout the day to maintain the drug's pleasurable effects and they prevent withdrawal. Now you know how harmful smoke is. I'm going to give you some reason to convince you that you need to quit this habit. First, and more important, there are many diseases closely related to abuse of cigarettes, such as lung cancer and hypertension. This is scientifically proven that the relationship between this disease and inhaling smoke snuff. This example of diseases and the fight of the people against these diseases lead me to reflect and push me help people to stop smoking. Also, STAR research shows that 75% of lung cancer is produced for smoking, and the consequences of this disease could lead you to death. In addition, smoke is very dangerous to women who are pregnant. Smoking during pregnancy is one of the causes of preterm delivery and also of low birth weight babies. In addition, it can cause several cardiac problems in the babies and deformation in their bodies. After give you this reason to convince you why don't you have to smoke, I will give you useful solution in order to help you to stop smoking or at least reduce the quantities of cigarettes that you smoke every day. Quitting smoking is not easy and often requires multiple attempts. The first and most important step is that you have to be totally decide to quit. Then you have to set the date for stop smoking. Before the date, you can begin to reduce cigarette consumption. But remember that there is no safe level of consumption of snuff. After set that data of stop smoking, you have to throw away all cigarettes. Also, once you did that, you have to create other habits. For example, when you finish dinner and you are used to smoke a cigarette, instead of that you can eat a fruit or make a phone call. Another solution is to set goals. Set goals to stop smoking either short term and reward yourself when you reach them. Every day, put in a jar money you normally spend on cigarettes. Then you buy something that you like. In addition, you can change your activity and do more sport. When you smoke, it's difficult to do sport because the lack of oxygen that you have. It is important to do more activities because it maintains your head busy and not thinking about your wants to smoke. Now that I already gave you some of important reasons to don't smoke and some solution to start quitting this bad habit, I'm going to conclude with my opinion. In conclusion, smoking could be the worst decision that you can make. However, you can follow my advices and choose the right option and do not smoke. Now after I gave you some reason to don't smoke and advices to find solution, it's time to you to decide what is the best for your life. Even if you already smoke, you can look into the solution that I propose and quit. Never is late to quit and have a better quality of life.